My name's Alan. I'm 46. I've been diabetic for 20 years, and I knew that one day I would be on dialysis. I've always made the most of my life, both professionally as well as on the personal level. When I was 20, I was even a boxing champion in my weight category. Today, despite the diabetes, which has significantly altered my eyesight, and my dialysis, I continue to live life to the full. My friends and family, and especially Gina, my amazing wife, will tell you, I love the good things in life, and I wouldn't change that for the world. In 2009, I started dialysis. As for the therapy modality, I'd made my decision sometime earlier. I absolutely wanted to avoid going into hospital. I love life. I wanted the best, and so hospital dialysis wasn't an option for me. As I'm young and was on the transplant list, I first started automated peritoneal dialysis at home, and I did that for 8 months. I was then given a pancreas and kidney transplant, but unfortunately the transplant failed, and so I started hemodialysis at home shortly afterwards. After a few weeks of training, my machine was installed and waiting for me at home. Both Gina and I were immediately at ease, as a fantastic medical team supports us. If I phone the dialysis centre, I don't need to introduce myself. They immediately recognise my voice and call me by my first name. And then there's Elvis. He's a dedicated technician who regularly comes to deliver the disposables and check my equipment. I love that personal touch and that I'm treated with respect. When I first went home on hemodialysis, I did sessions of 4 hours 3 times a week, just as is done in the hospital. But I felt terrible. After each session, I often had cramps, I was cold, I had absolutely no energy to do anything at all. It was awful. And so Tony, who leads the paramedical team, suggested we change my prescription by dialysing more frequently. He explained to me this is high-dose HD and is a gentler form of hemodialysis which more closely resembles the functioning of normal kidneys and which is much more beneficial for my general health status and above all for a future transplant. I didn't take much persuading. Today I connect to the machine 6 days a week for 2 hours at a time, and I can't tell you how much better I feel. My blood pressure is much more stable than before, and the best of all is that I have so much energy, and I need it to look after my grandchildren. Enzo, who's 2, Max, who's 16 months, and soon little Noah will be joining them when they come several times a week to play. Most days I connect in the afternoon and dialyse while I'm watching a film. I disconnect, and then I'm free for the rest of the day. It's so important that I keep my evenings free for Gina because she's my priority in life. We love spending time together, and we often go out to restaurants for romantic meals, just the 2 of us. In fact, we do everything together, even preparing the machine. We've slipped into a comfortable routine. I don't feel it's a burden. Today it's Gina who inserts my needles, but only because I don't see so well anymore. Before I did it all myself, and I've never had the slightest complication. Nothing would make me go back to dialysing just 3 times a week. As for our future, we're planning some lovely weekends away, a holiday in the south of France, and I am on the transplant list, so fingers crossed. It's true that a transplant will give me a break from dialysis and allow me to travel to and explore the desert. That's my dream. But while I'm waiting, I'm happy with my treatment.